FLUX.2 is now available on Adobe products including Adobe Firefly and Firefly boards. The latest model focuses on fast speed generations, high quality, and is particularly good at modifying images and adding text. I want to give a huge thank you to Adobe for partnering with me for this post. These shots here were made with FLUX.2, starting a simple text prompt to describe a warehouse with neon fog and illumination. By adding this image as a reference to my next prompt, I created a perfume bottle product which matches the same lighting, vibe, and style of the original image. You now have more control over your images before heading to the AI video creation step. This is powerful as it allows you ideate quickly with a similar style and prompts all in a single place with Adobe Firefly boards. The FLUX.2 image modification feature can go further, helping you to completely relight an image in different ways. When you use this with an AI video tool as start and end frames, you can create consistent product style shots that change the lighting over time. You can also add more images to your prompt to use in the final product, such as images of people, and in this case, holding the products in different ways. FLUX.2 specializes in consistency, giving you more freedom to make edits but retain the style. Until January 15th, Firefly Pro, Firefly Premium, 7,000 credit plans, and 5,000 credit customers can continue getting unlimited generations on all image models and the Firefly video model. This is the best time to jump into Adobe tools to get access to these AI models for free. Go give this a try right now on Adobe. Thanks for watching.